Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the basic thing of real numbers of class 10th. So before going to discuss, you should know about the basic things. So, so what are the number systems? So your natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, so on, get denoted by capital N. And coming to whole numbers, it will start from 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, so on. So that's why I have mentioned 0, comma n. The combination of 0 comma natural numbers becomes whole numbers. Okay, coming to third set. Okay, the set of negative integers, negative numbers, negative natural numbers plus whole numbers plus natural numbers becomes integers. And coming to the fourth set, that is irrational and irrational number, the combination of all these and including some special properties, that is fraction part, p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Okay, and these are rational numbers guys, and irrational numbers which cannot be expressed as a p by q form, where rational numbers are denoted by q and irrational numbers are denoted by q dash. Okay, the combination of all these forms real numbers guys. Okay, natural numbers is a part of whole numbers is a part of integers is a part of rational and irrational numbers, and rational irrational number is a part of real numbers. So we call it as real numbers is a superset of all the sets. Okay, that includes decimal numbers, fractions, root values, all the numbers. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.